So join us on a wintry afternoon where we've driven to... It's okay, you look alright.
I'm just going to put my burger on.
Where we've driven to...
Sculthorpe Moor in Nolfolk, as we'll call it.
Yeah.
Where we're hoping to see bullfinches, long-tailed tits.
Well, we've come for the bullfinches and
Bramblings.
Yeah. And we've come for the chance of small lenses. Small lenses, good f-stop. And we're gonna
cutting the light out. See what we get. Here. We're now going to our first location.
This is our favourite one of the hides here at Sculthorpe, which is called what, Richard?
The tower hide.
Yes, the tower hide. I'm going to be shooting with,
because it's on camera,
200mm Tamron 2.8,
and I'm going to be using my 300mm Nikon F2.8.
Bare. No
No
converter. That's the beauty of this hide. You can get really close.
Like a metre away from one of the branches.
And for us, bullfinches are scarce, really, aren't they?
They are, yeah.
We've got them at a local pub. They feed there, a pair, but apart from that, they're quite scarce. This is the track to the tower hide. And here we go. We've got a window each. So I'm going to set up. Set the view. And there's the big feeder. Recording the garden birds.
Trying to, Jim.
The small birds in slow-mo. What are you going for, flight shot?
No, just that nice little tree just that they're hopping on. Just with all the vegetables. See the one sort of behind the corner.
The chaffinches are feisty. Oh, look at that lovely. Oh, brambling feeding now. They're stunning. Oh, two.
So I've been shooting with the 300mm f2.8, but I have set the aperture to f3.2 to still get the nice creamy bokeh, but to give me a little bit more leeway on the focus and point, because 2.8 is, you're talking about a millimetre, which if you nail it,
does look great, but 3.2 just gives you that slight extra millimetre or two of focus, which can save the day. The light is not great, but it's okay. But I'm not very good, so I'm now going to go over to Gemma and ask her a question. What are we seeing here, Gemma? I know we've got brambling. Always a long-tailed tit.
Yes, there was one.
Bramblings, blue tits, great tits, chaffinches. We've seen a marsh tit.
Oh, hold on. Did you just say you're not very good, so you're gonna ask me? And did you let me actually name any birds? Did you?
Go for it.
I think you covered them all.
Do you think? I'm pleased with myself because I'm not, as you know, I'm not a big birder.
Yes.
Oh, what was that that just landed down? Oh, that was a blue tit.
You said you didn't know. And
There's one of my favourites. Look at that lovely little long-tailed tit. I'm going to try and get a long-tailed. Damaged. Where are they? Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's a bit covered in it.
What's the right terminology for it?
Sorry?
What's the right terminology for
Canker,
it?
it's got these feet. Canker.
Canker.
Chaffinches get it a lot.
Yeah, I've seen it on them. Saw it on 1 foot on one here last winter. Not both feet.
So, that was cool, wasn't it, Jim?
Yes. How did you fare?
Brilliant. We got the male bullfinch in the end, didn't we? Came down. Poor little thing had something wrong with its feet. So we just spent an hour and a half in that hide, didn't we?
Yes, the tower hide.
And it was very good. We got.
Do you want to list them or not? Should I just...
God, you try.
Greenfinch, bullfinch, chaffinch, great tit, blue tit, long tit,
Long-tailed tit.
long-tailed tit,
Brambling.
male
and female chaffinches. Male and female blackbird.
Yep.
Collared doves.
One of your favourites, collared dove.
But the poor little bullfinch we saw had canker, which is a parasite, disease,
Fungi, kind of.
which is often fatal. He had it bad on his feet. You'll probably
Both
see.
feet?
Yeah, you'll probably see in the video and film and stills. But that's nature, isn't it? Unfortunately. But we did.
There's a nuthatch. I've just seen a nuthatch on that tree. Sorry, Karen. It's on that tree there.
Okay. Well, we'll be back. We're just going to check out one more hide. I don't know if we've ever been in there, have we?
No, we haven't. No, that's why I thought we'd just check it out on the way back.
Right.
see what kind of birds they've got there?
Yeah, we'll check it out, and if it's no good, you might not see anything in the video, but we'll see. We'll see.
Don't write it off before we
I'm
get
not
there.
writing it off. I never write anything off. It's getting cold, isn't it?
I'm starting to get cold.
We need a coffee, but we've had a successful afternoon. We haven't been here that long, but the light is really starting to go now. We're in the woodland hide. We did make it here, but
It's
nice. It's a nice
You
spot.
can show them. It's a viewing. It's a viewing one, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a
There's some feeders and bits and bobs. There's a ground feeder. There's one on the tree. It's a lower down hide, so you can kind of get a nice angle, but you need a long lens, good 2 to 500, especially for these little birds. There's a large collection of long-tailed tits on a feeder at the back.
So we're finished for today. Coffee and home. Had a successful afternoon, haven't we?
Coffee, cake, and ham.
Coffee, cake and home. We've had a successful afternoon.
Yes.
It's a very nice nature reserve to visit. Just a bit of a drive for us, about 2 hours, but just under. But it's still well worth the trip.
Yeah, especially on a dull day, because what else?
Mm-hmm.
What else do you get to see? Because you can't really get birds in flight on a dull day, although you have possibly, haven't you? Possibly got a bullfinch in flight.
Yeah. Hopefully. Right, that's us done. Hope you enjoy the video. Subscribe and like if you did enjoy. Leave a comment, that all helps with the YouTube algorithm.
And if you didn't like and you put the thumbs down, tell us why. Tell us why you hate us. No, joking.
Right, so this is Rich
Jem.
saying goodbye. Bye.